So we're heading back to Jackson, and this is kind of like the first signs of stuff being washed.
Hi everybody, we are back here in Jackson, Kentucky, a couple of days after the massive flooding that they had, and we are stopping back at the recreational park. Is one of the first places we stopped when we first got to Jackson. So we are going to come down here and look at a little bit of the aftermath from when we first stopped here. So when we first came here, we were only able to just kind of come down to, I can see where the water is. We could walk this path somewhat to over there, and we were able to walk here to just there is where the water had started. So we will make our way down here and take a peek. All of that was completely underwater. There's water coming through here. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, it smells. So here we can get a little bit of a walk. There's bleachers there. Woo! It's slippery. Don't fall in the mud. It's, they recommend to not fall in the mud. Everything is squishy. Wow, the ground's just saturated with mud. I gotta go up. I can't stand in this. I'm sinking. It's very slick. So all this is underwater. Couldn't walk through here. That's a good drop. I didn't even know there was a playground over there. We got all this as we come through. You still see there's some spots of standing water. Everything's covered in mud. Here they're doing their best to try and clean and reclaim what they can. So when we came through here, all of this as well was underwater. Came along. I think were we able to walk through this part? I think we were able to walk through here some. So I do remember seeing these stairs that led down. Yeah, this is the water was. So you can see where the line was, where it had come up to, where it left all this mud behind. All of that. I didn't even know there was a swing set over there. Or another scoreboard. Volleyball net. This was a literal just flowing massive river going through here. You can still see the watermark. See it right there. How deep that got. and all of this was just filled like a bowl. We were able to come through here some. The top of that was more or less covered, just barely sticking out. I'm fairly certain there was another one back there. Maybe. But it's obviously it's gone, if it was. Coming down through here, I had no idea. Oh wow, yikes. Look at all the debris caught in the net. The fence has been taken down. The water level, I remember the video I took, the water level from the flagpole. Wow, when we were here, the water level from the flagpole was just under this sign. It looks like it actually got much higher than that. I can't see very well because it's a little bright, but I'm guessing that shiny spot might be where the water level crested. When we had come and filmed, the water was still rising. You could see the top of this dugout. Top of that door was showing for there. And it looks like it did get much higher because there's so much debris caught in the roof. You could see the water level when we had come here was at about the scoreboard, just below the scoreboard. So all of this was completely underwater and just flowing and rising. So, yeah. A lot of leftover destruction. We'll see if we can't get this way a little bit as well. And come over here and try and check out some of the other things. Wow, it's astonishing. So much debris caught up in all the trees.